All the members of Rotary Club 3170 Belgaum, and let me congratulate the outgoing President Prakash for doing a very sincere and effective work for the year 13-14 as the President. He knows Rotary very well because he has served as a Secretary of Rotary Club Belgaum long back, and now he is with the E-Club. So congratulations Prakash, very well done, and I expect a lot of support, help and services from you in the future also, as far as the Rotary E-Club is concerned, as well also 3170 is concerned. At the same time, the incoming President Narsimha Joshi, who is going to be at the helm of affairs for this particular club, and I wish him all the best, all the success. I am sure with his sincerity, honesty, knowledge, intelligence, his contacts, he will do a good job for the ensuing year, that is 14-15, under the leadership of our District Governor Ganesh Bhatt. So all the best to all of you. ये ऐसा है कि earth and the sky, they never meet each other, but they have got a lot of love between each other. जब बारिश के बूंदे गिरती है ज़मीन पर, तो ज़मीन पे हरियाली छाती है, फूल उगते हैं, and सब तरफ एक अच्छा सा माहौल पैदा होता है. That is what we have to see, that we have to reach to the needy people, the society. We have to understand what is their need, what are their problems, and this is the best platform for you all. The Rotary is the best platform for you all, for all of us to serve the society. Rotary is a worldwide organization with nearly 12 lakh membership, 34,000 Rotary clubs all over the world. But we want to add more members, more strength to Rotary, so that Rotary can be more effective and more useful to everybody. And Rotary is also ready to change according to the needs of the society. That is why this concept of E-Club has come. 2 years back we formed this club, Rotary E-Club Belgaum, with the Anil Gudi as the President, Prakash as the Secretary. Now you are entering the 3rd year, so all the best. We want more members from all over the world for this particular club, so that we will be more stronger, more effective, more useful. There are types of members who are very active in the club, who are very eager to serve. There are certain members who are there, but they are 50-50 here, there, not here, not there, but they want to work but still not able to give their services. For these people, we have to motivate them, make them involved in the club activities, inspire them, request them, tell them the stories of Rotary International or Rotary clubs, how they are doing, what they are doing all over the world. Tell them the stories, how we are benefited, how the society is benefited. You have to give them the examples. So many things happen. Rotary is doing so many things all over. Rotary thinks globally and acts globally. Rotary never thinks about any particular area. That is why this polio eradication, the program which Rotary took in 1985, 99% were through. There are some problems are there, some problem areas are there, but we are sure with the commitment what Rotary has given to the world, we will be through in next 3 years, this polio eradication. And we want more members to join Rotary. How you will join, or how one will join, is that how you project yourself in the society. That is very important. What projects you do in the society. The public image of Rotary, the image of Rotary and the membership development, they go hand in hand. The more you do for the society, the more you present yourself to the society in a very effective manner, automatically more people will be attracted towards the Rotary. So it is very important that do good projects. Your attitude, your behavior in the society will impress the people, so that the more people will be coming to the Rotary, and then you can choose whom you want. We also want more lady members. We want their expertise. We also want the spouses. There is an advantage when you have a spouse members, wherein you need not pay the subscription towards the magazines. Then you can have the admission fees also can be reduced for them. They can be accommodated. So absolutely no problem. So this is what we want: more members, more stronger Rotary, more effective Rotary, more useful Rotary all over the world. So be with the Rotary, be in the Rotary, and be for the Rotary. So we will be more stronger, and I make an appeal to all those members who are in double mind whether to continue membership or not to continue membership. I make a strong appeal here. You continue your membership. Try to understand Rotary. Try to realize Rotary. How Rotary is working. Try to understand. You are not able to understand. You are not understood. That is the problem. That is why you are a little bit away from the Rotary. You just see the go through the stories of Rotary. Go through the examples where Rotary has done exceptionally well. And once you come in, once you get involved, then you will not leave Rotary. You will not only leave Rotary, we will also get more members towards Rotary. So see that, don't leave Rotary. Be a little bit active and be with the Rotary. Even sometimes if your time is not allowing you, be there in the Rotary. We are not forcing you to be there continuously. Just be there in the Rotary, and just wherever possible for you, please come, join, take action, be there, take part, and go ahead. So I make an appeal to all those people the members who are not here, not there. Please be in the Rotary. आप जाइएगा नहीं, आप अंदर आइएगा और काम करते रहिएगा. We will be there with you to support you, help you. So be confident, enjoy Rotary. Thank you very much. Long live Rotary. And that is why they say the next year theme is Light Up Rotary, so that with our performance, with our projects, with our deeds, we can light up the life of the people who are in the dark. Thank you very much.